Today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 1 PS1 Athletes. In its project description, Darren Loan recently opened a small sporting goods store next to the local community college. He wants to use Excel to track supply inventory, the total cost of inventory as well as items on back order. Darren has created a workbook containing a list of the product in inventory, a list of item or back order, a documentation worksheet. You have been asked to enhance the appearance of the worksheet, edit content, insert comment, improve overall formatting, making the information easier to review and analyze. That's our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, applied science. If you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson courses, or if you need help in Excel assignments, Word assignments, Access assignments, or PowerPoint assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel downloaded open Excel chapter 1 PS1 athletes. I have already opened this one file, Excel chapter 1 PS1 athletes. So we will move to the second step. Our second step is worksheet name should be descriptive. Rename the sheet 1 as inventory. Copy this one. We will go to the sheets. That is our sheet 1. We will rename it as a sheet inventory. That is inventory sheet. Click any other cell to save this one name and rename the sheet 2 as a back orders. Copy this one also. We move to the sheet 2, right click on your mouse and rename it as a back orders. That's our second step. Our third step is to document worksheet on inventory worksheet. In cell A23, add a cell note, delete the note username and then enter 4 pack. So you will go to the cell, which one cell he is asking, cell A23 of the inventory worksheet. We will go to the inventory worksheet, that is our cell A23. You will just press Ctrl plus F2. Now you will Control plus you will go to the view tab. In the review tab you will select a new comment and here you will put a new cell note, that is our cell note 4 pack. When you open this, it will be open as a 4 pack. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is in the cell A17, edit the content to inventory. Just copy this one and go to the cell A17, that is our cell A17, paste here as an inventory. That is our fourth step. Our fifth step is to improve the readability of the worksheet. Wrap the text in the following ranges: B4 to L4, B10 to L10, B17 to D17 and B25 to D25. So we will go to the first, that is our first step, B4 to L4. Just go to the home tab and wrap text. Then you select the B10 to L10 and wrap text. Then select the B17 to D17 and wrap text. Then select the B25 to D25 and wrap text. That's our step. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is in the cell A25 insert a hard return before the word miscellaneous item. Be sure to remove the space between the two words before inserting a hard return. So we will go to the B25. First remove the space between the words. We have removed the space between the word, and now you press Ctrl plus Enter to you will press Ctrl plus. That's now a hard return. We have placed a hard return. Remove the extra space and wrap the text. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is to add white space to the worksheet. Perform the following. Insert a column to the left column of E. Left column of E. Insert a column. Left side of E. So you will select the column E, then insert. So we have inserted a space from the left column. Insert a column to the left column of J. You will select the column J and select the right button on your mouse and press insert. So we have inserted a column on the left side of column J, and change the width of column E and J to 5. Select the column E, Control and J, and right click on our mouse button and make its width to 5 and press OK. Now we have make our width to 5. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is copy the formula in the cell D18 to D23. So we will copy the formula to D18 to D23. That is our D18. We will just drag down this one. So our formula will be copied from D18 to D23, and copy the formula in the D26 through D28. So we will do the same in that from D26 to D28. Drag this one to copy the formula up to downside. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step is move the information in the cell range A25 to D25 to the range F17 to I20. So we will select A25 to D25, A25 to D25, press Ctrl X to move this one. Move this one to F17. We will go to the F17 and press Ctrl plus V. So you see we have put our information in the F17 to I20. That's our 10th step. Ninth step. Our 10th step is to center the title over the worksheet data, merge and center the content in the A1 through N1. So we will go to the select the A1 to N1 and just select merge and center. So it's now merge and center. That's our 10th step. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't know the remaining step, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you want to deal for your complete course with the 90 plus results, so contact me on my WhatsApp. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.